Let me show you how to make the best fried egg. Hey, Chef Des here, welcome to my kitchen. One of the easiest things ever in egg world is to fry an egg, but yet there's so many people asking me how to do it. So I'm going to show you the best fried egg. We get nice crispy edges and walk you through the 4 different types of fried egg. The one thing I like to do, which I think is a big mistake if you don't do it, is I like to crack the egg into a little portion cup. That way I know for sure that my yolk isn't broken, okay? And it's just easier that way. You have it ready to go, you have your pan ready to go, and as soon as you're ready with the pan, you can just pop it in. You know that the egg yolk is not broken. And especially if you're doing like 3 or 4 fried eggs in one pan, have 3 or 4 portion cups, have the eggs, 1 in each portion cup, and then you just put them in the pan. It's so much easier rather than rushing and trying to crack them. Maybe you break a yolk and you're trying to, you're getting all frustrated. Just prepare yourself and everything will go smooth. Okay, let's go to the pan now. All right, we're at the pan. So I preheated my pan, medium-high heat. I know that sounds hot, but you want to get those little crispy edges around the egg. So I like to go medium-high heat. And ask Julia Child, she'll always tell you butter. Butter is better than anything. So we're gonna just do a little knob of butter in there. And you want that to happen. You want the butter to be able to start foaming right away, okay? And then you're just going to move it around the pan. It tells you that the pan is hot. Usually I preheat my pan for about a minute over medium-high heat before adding the butter. Then simply just place the egg from your portion cup. Now have a look at this. You'll see the thicker white here. You want to pay attention to that, okay? If you want to do a sunny side up egg, you just leave it as is until that thicker part has completely cooked, okay? Make sure you season it, salt and pepper regardless of what kind of egg you're doing. So just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. The pepper is especially nice because it adds that presentation, okay? If we're going to do an over easy, then we're waiting till that thick white has just like half cooked. You can see through it, so you can sort of tell when it's half cooked, which is going to be just about now. So again, if I'm doing sunny side up, I leave it the way it is until that's completely cooked. It's about half cooked now, you can see that. So we're just going to gently get underneath that yolk and flip it over, okay? Here's the important part. So we could leave this for about 10 seconds, and this is called over easy. What I'm doing is I'm touching the yolk. The doneness of the yolk is going to determine when you're going to put it out and what kind of egg you're doing. So over easy, you still want this runny, and it doesn't take very long for that yolk to set, especially at medium-high heat. So about 10 seconds. We're about there right now. Keep going about 30 seconds. You're at over medium, where the egg yolk is just slightly cooked, and you do over well. You keep cooking it until it's firm. Just keep touching it. Your finger is the key, okay? Let's go over to the pan. We're done. See how simple that is? Very quick, very simple. Look at those nice brown edges on there. Nice little crispy bits. I love that. Put that on a sandwich. Have that for breakfast. Anything. Watch this. Beautiful. That's how easy it is to do the best fried egg. Thanks for watching. I'm Chef Des, corporate chef of bcegg.com. Check out the website for many great recipes, tips, and tricks. Where are you getting your protein from?